This is a continuance of the last video. He's still making it up, but we came straight up that hill. And still going uphill. Hear them birds? They sound so pretty. If you guys can see that. Maybe can't. I was saying how pretty those birds sound. How pretty those birds sound.
Well, there was one that found up on those little trees above them. It made the funniest noises. Just downsizing there.
That's alright. I would downsize, but I need my pockets. And my jacket. Probably. I think I'm going to take these gloves off. I do know that. Ouch. I hear Mike's dogs just going and...
Coming out.
I'm going to unzip my coat.
No.
I told you it's Mike's dogs.
Mike's Beagle and that other, whatever that yellow dog is.
It's not a...
Corner sitter?
Yeah, corner sitter. He thinks it's a golden retriever. Not. How's your hip?
Huh?
How's your hip? Well, you want to...
Well, it don't hurt. It just started getting very uncomfortable.
Get up here where the chair's at and sit.
All I'm going to do is take me a break. Well, it wasn't a hill we came down.
The hill we went up?
Yeah, right back there.
Yeah. The fact is, we've, besides going down the hill, come up that hill twice. Yesterday and today.
If when it's rainy or kind of wet and muggy like this, my hip hurts worse.
See, my stuff hurts worse when it's cold.
Cold and wet, either one.
Yeah.
Wish I wouldn't have moved my chair.
Where'd you move it?
I don't even see it.
Up there.
Oh, somebody didn't take it?
I don't remember us moving it. Or you moving it.
I moved it. Something was on the run. It was a big buck. See how it slid?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, literally slid. Probably turned, slowed down to turn. Here's the back of this trunk.
Mm-hmm.
He hit this and slid there. Running down through here from something.
Probably those coyotes I got.
Tell you what, let's see, when is it? Wednesday or Thursday it'd be mushrooms, man. So this is supposed to get up to 81 or 83.
Yeah, humidity and rain bring mushrooms.
Today the dew point's about the same as the temperature. That's what caused the dense fog this morning. When the dew point's close to the temperature, that causes that.
Yeah.
A lot of the moisture has nowhere to go. So it stays in the air, floats around, gets on stuff.
Yeah.
This tube I got, I was considering going all the way to the layer.
Well, by the time we got done with just getting to this point, it was all uphill.
Yeah.
Still is. If you consider the fact that we're still going up.
What we did was basically that shortcut I showed you.
Yeah.
This looks like an egg right here. Someone robbed an egg and ate it right here. There's the shells.
Yeah.
See, here's the part of it. Look, if I flip that over. No, that might not be it. Yeah, that's it.
What's this, a mushroom?
No, that's a leaf.
Oh.
But this here, I think, is the egg. Yeah, that's part of the egg.
That's a big egg.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Probably turkey. No, eggs be bigger than that.
Something robbed me. The robbed person.
Yeah.
Okay.
You remember them baby turkeys that ran out from Dum Dum's side?
Got them.
Yeah.
And Don Grossbeck said, "Now what are you going to do?"
Well,
We're going to send them to you.
Me and Sarah let them back down, but I figured once they plowed, they'd get killed.
I know what he was talking about. He was talking about when you touch something, their mother won't have nothing to do with them again.
Yeah. Well.
But when we came back, they were still there.
To be honest with you,
watching over them, so I don't know how that story goes.
If she didn't move them,
yeah,
they were going to die anyway because they plowed that field.
Yeah.
And that's where they were nested.
Right.
People don't.
Remember that bird hit our window and Christopher went out on the back porch and put that dead bird in his hand?
Yeah.
And just sat there watching it and it came back alive?
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
It knocked him out basically. Then it felt,
yeah.
Chris was kind of caressing it, with his, rubbing his finger.
Knocked it for a loop.
Huh?
That knocked it. Remember the cardinal that hit our sliding window and her mouth bled?
Yep. But we nursed her back. She took off. my butt down here for a minute. I guess I don't. That's wet as it can get.
It probably won't. Here, you can put my jacket down on it.
No. You just go ahead and do what you got to do. I'm good. I don't need to sit down. As long as I'm not walking up a steep hill. Yeah, I don't want to take a chance on it sucking through to my pants. Then I got to walk back with my ass wet.
Yeah. I'm going to go down here and change this out.
You go ahead. I'll watch for you. I got my sidearm with me.
Yeah.
Something grabs you, I'll shoot it.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Well, guys, hang on. Back. Sorry about that. Had it turned again. I'm hoping this solves that issue of a skinny video. Just turning it sideways like she said. Because I have messed with settings in my camera. And I cannot fix that part. Look at these pretty little white flowers.
Need a drink?
No. No. I might fix. What do you want for breakfast?
I haven't even thought about it. I don't know. It's always oatmeal.
Well.
Or eggs and bacon. And all that stuff that stops your arteries. That's always good when it's going in. It's good going in. It just ain't good coming out.
Yeah. Fried bologna and a fried egg.
Yeah.
And toast, Kentucky steak. And
Kentucky round steak.
yeah, that's Sinking Springs steak. Ohio steak. A lot of people eat fried bologna.
What I call it is food.
Yeah.
Food is food. Sometimes it's steak, sometimes it's bologna.
Yeah, sometimes.
Be glad you got it.
Steak for the first week after payday. And bologna the rest of the month, the other 3 weeks. Or if you're lucky, 28 days in February.
Sometimes you gotta do without the steak to have this kind of property.
Can you hold this without touching the screen?
Where are you going?
If I was you, I'd hold it the other way. Just aim it out that way. So I can change this out.
Can I turn it upside down? Does it straighten up?
No. It makes it too skinny.
All right.
I could have paused it, but I didn't want to. I've already paused it a couple times.
There you go.
Alright. Sorry, guys.
I'll follow you so you don't get bugging my head all
Robert's a lot taller than me, so he can hold it up higher. He's 6'2" to my exact 5 foot.
Yeah, you're holding all they get is the tops of the blades of grass.
He said when I'm holding it, all you guys get's the tops of the blades of grass. You fucker.
What's your language?
Sorry, God. Sorry, guys. Do you know that's why you have hip issues? It's because you're tall. Tall people with long torsos.
I thought it was causing my work habits.
No, has nothing to do with that. It has to do with your height.
It ain't got nothing to do with cutting all these trails, cutting all these trees, cutting 20 acres every week for 7 years. I don't know.
No.
Who knows? I think it's got to do with my time's running out.
Your time's not running out.
Live forever.
God says when your time runs out, and only God. There's a cross that Robert made.
Oh, I know. Society tried to kill me. The Marine Corps tried to kill me. Karma tried to kill me.
Yeah, well.
And I'm still here.
You know, karma only hits you when you do something to deserve it.
Here's Sandy, where we have all them
Papaya trees?
papayas. They even fall down in here.
Yeah.
Squirrels like to come in here. I don't know what that big squirrel was. We got to look it up.
We got a muscle-bound squirrel.
Well, it's beyond muscles. He's just big.
Yeah.
I don't even think it's a squirrel.
And I've seen him on the limb showing every tooth in his head, growling at something. You want me to carry something?
Me? Let me get on your back. Then you won't even see the tops of the grass. You might see a rock.
You wanna?
This way, left.
Okay.
Unless you want to walk over that steep hill that came down.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Just hold on a second. Let me
Well, that steep hill we came down,
let me get some of my luggage.
I thought was on that side. It was.
It is. It's over there.
Or came up, I mean.
Hold on a second.
I'm holding.
I'm going to get me a grape and a swallow of water. You can do what you want.
You want some bugles?
Yeah, I'm good.
They're in this, and munchos are in here.
Well, for dessert, Sandy,
Huh?
for dessert, we have a
Oh, a vitamin. Let me zoom in. You guys, it tastes like vitamins.
But it,
and I picked them out. I'm gonna come over here so. See what's down there. I love the sound of those birds.
music to you.
Yeah. We can go.
Not yet.
Oh.
Just putting the fish
Sure,
in the
guys.
grape. There they are. They're not grape juice by now. more of your water?
Yeah, I might.
Want a grape?
No, I don't like grapes. And I don't like raisins. You guys, the Crinkle Crinkle is Walmart Great Value water. Now, if this was Kroger Value water, it
Tell
would
you
have
what.
crushed and the water would have went all over me.
If you was in Hong Kong, you might get your water in a little plastic bag.
Yeah. But Dasani water
You gotta drink it.
tastes like hose.
You can't put it nowhere, you gotta drink it.
And it's twice as much as a 32 pack of Wally World water. I don't like Dasani water. I don't like Nestle water. It all tastes like well, Nestle tastes like tap water.
What breakfast was gonna be?
Huh?
What did you decide?
Well, you remember back there when we was talking about Kentucky round steak?
Oh, you gonna have the steak and egg sandwich?
I'd much rather have sausage, but we don't have any.
Well, that's the way life goes.
Of course, we do got 3 fat cats that could pass as pigs.
8 more. Here, come this way, please. I'm gonna take a shortcut right here.
Oh,
You're doing fine.
no, that's all right.
I just want to pick this trail up over here. I just didn't want to go to that point and cross over.
That's the trail I asked you, did you want to go down?
Well, I didn't there, but now I do. Because I just thought of another way I'm going to go. You might as well take you some pictures, man.
Honey, I'm
Got a
filming.
long way to go here. I'm going to try to make it as painless as I can
Yeah.
for myself. Oh, look. I like them little pretty them purple flowers in here.
Yeah.
What are them? I know they're
You,
wild.
you know, I don't
I
know.
never knew what they were.
I have no idea. I seen some little white ones like them up the trail. I just think nature's pretty. And them birds singing, that's pretty.
Yeah, I tell you what, between me and you,
Mm-hmm. And
walking out here hands down is better than, because you just enjoy more of everything. You can see stuff don't run, does it?
yeah.
All right, will you turn right here? This way.
Why exactly?
Excuse me?
I said, why are we going this way?
You're filming, aren't you?
Yeah. Okay. My fear overrode my what I was doing.
Go straight. We're actually going to my favorite spot, and then I'm going to stop and take a good break. And from there, it's all
Uphill.
no, we ain't going to take that hill unless you want to.
No, but
It's a lot faster, but I don't know if my hips can do it again.
yeah, I don't think so
My
either.
hip made it down the hill, but I doubt if it'll make it up. Let's go down here and read your sign. Follow me.
Okay. You guys, I put a sign up about 3 years ago.
On a styrofoam
It was
plate.
after we caught those guys that poached, yeah, and shot and killed a deer on our property, and then let the dogs have it. And we called the game warden. It didn't pay. Game warden is about useless.
So that particular one.
Well, yeah.
We've had some good game wardens.
Yeah, the one that was there before they wouldn't give him the position he needed.
But when when the people you're turning in are friends with the person.
Yeah, they give them deer meat.
You don't have a chance. They're all eating the deer.
Yeah.
I don't mind if they would ask.
Yeah, they won't ask. They just soon steal.
Where's your sign, baby?
I'm coming. Okay.
Here, that thing is held
It
up,
says it must suck. You can't read. Maybe they'll teach you in jail.
That was a good one. Cut right through here.
Oh, look at them pretty little flowers.
You want this?
And them ones, No.
Along this bank, you might get some Sasquatch. They gotta come and get water.
Yeah.
They don't necessarily come out here.
No. Here's a...
Look at this has created a bridge of trees. Look at that, man.
Yeah.
Come on over here. Huh?
There's a crocus. But it's
There's a wider purpose.
white.
Yeah. But this here's a crocus too.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That the dirt has filled over them logs and made like a ramp. A bridge like. Okay.
I was looking for prints, but I got your print.
Well, here,
And I started to say, look, a Bigfoot.
You go ahead of me. That makes more sense.
Oh, there's another crocus.
Yeah, well, that's beautiful. Huh?
Yeah.
These big rocks right here.
Yeah, those are mossy rocks, too.
Yeah, they've came down with this creek here. There's been times it's probably been up really high and pushing a bunch of them round rocks that'll push them right down.
I want to find another
This is where you can find gold and
arrowhead.
if you had some kind of something up to look for it. This is my favorite spot when I'm mowing.
Ooh, quartz.
Good.
See?
Let me see. Yep,
Ooh, quartz.
That is quartz. That's what I'm saying. No, that one ain't.
That is quartz.
It's not.
Yes,
it's
it
not.
is.
I'll crack it open when we get on and shoot.
We don't need you to give them a quartz.
This one is, but that one ain't.
Yep.
Ooh, look. Great.
Oh.
It's a grape. Ah, look, it's in my mouth. Oh, look, I'm chewing it.
Oh, look.
You want to take this creek up about a mile that way? Huh?
No. Nope. You guys, I'm gonna play hell trying to upload this. I told him I'm gonna play heck trying to upload this. Yep.
This tree right here.
Yep. So I'm gonna shut this down now
Turn left right there.
because we're going home.
Unless you're going to go up that steep hill.
No. Anyway, God bless you guys.